Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making a quick and easy sweet potato pudding. The ingredients you're going to need for your sweet potato pudding: you're going to need 2 eggs, butter, brown sugar, white granulated sugar. You're going to need some cinnamon, allspice, nutmeg, a dash of salt, and I have 1.5 cups of milk. And today I am using half and half. And of course, the star of the show, sweet potatoes. I have already started grating the sweet potatoes. And as you can see, I'm using the finer side. And this is what we want them to look like. Okay, we want to shred them. In my mixing bowl, I have 1/4 cup of butter. And to that, I'm going to add the sugars. Now you can use a hand mixer, a stand mixer, if you like. But I like to think this recipe is simple enough to use just a whisk. You just want to get your sugars well incorporated. We have 2 eggs, and now we want to get those in one at a time. Go ahead and drop in all our spices. We're going to start with our cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, and a pinch of salt. Let's get that all stirred in there. Ooh, that makes a nice base. And this is our base for our pudding. Here are our shredded sweet potatoes. Just going to go ahead and get those in there. Add your milk and get that well incorporated, and we are ready to bake. I'm going to spray my 2-quart baking dish with some cooking spray. We're going to go ahead and put our pudding into the oven, and we're going to bake it at 400 degrees for 1 hour. And after 1 hour, you get this beautiful golden brown pudding. Use a toothpick to test for doneness, and if it comes out clean, you're ready to go. We're going to go ahead and cut into our sweet potato pudding. I will be making a bourbon sauce to complement this beautiful sweet potato pudding. So stay tuned for that. It's coming up after this video. Guys, I want to thank you so much for hanging out with me today and watch me as I get my Thanksgiving meal started by making sweet potato pudding. And if you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, share the video, and leave me a comment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.